What's inside the cleanse, and how does each ingredient work in your body? Let's go through it. The cleanse is a full body reset. It targets your colon, your liver, your gut lining, and your detox pathways. Every ingredient was chosen for a specific function. Together, they flush, rebuild, and restore. Let's start with your gut. Psyllium husk powder, the most studied dietary fiber for digestive health. Psyllium forms a gel in your gut when it contacts water. That gel slows digestion, regulates blood sugar, and feeds beneficial bacteria. It adds bulk to your stool and softens it, supporting healthy, regular bowel movements without cramping. Studies show psyllium reduces the bacterial genus associated with hard, compacted stools. It's the backbone of any serious gut cleanse. Slippery elm bark powder, a powerful gut soother. Slippery elm contains mucilage, a gel-like compound that coats and protects the gut lining. It reduces inflammation in the digestive tract, soothes irritable bowel, and supports tissue repair. Slippery elm also has antioxidant properties and has been studied for its support in protecting liver cells from damage. Aloe ferrex powder, more potent than the common aloe vera. Aloe ferrex supports digestion by increasing glucose transport in the gut and improving nutrient absorption. It reduces LDL cholesterol, lowers fasting blood glucose, and supports cardiovascular health. It also has natural laxative properties from its anthraquinone content, helping move waste through the colon efficiently. Chlorella powder, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Chlorella is a single-celled green algae packed with chlorophyll, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Chlorophyll binds to heavy metals and toxins in the gut, helping pull them out before they can be reabsorbed. Chlorella supports liver detoxification, boosts antioxidant activity, and has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. It also provides a natural energy boost without stimulants. Cascara sagrada, a traditional herbal laxative used for centuries. Cascara stimulates the muscles of the colon wall, promoting peristalsis, the wave-like contractions that move waste through the digestive tract. It works gently, without the cramping associated with harsher laxatives. This is the ingredient that gets things moving. Senna leaf, another natural laxative from traditional medicine. Senna contains senosides, compounds that irritate the lining of the bowel just enough to stimulate movement. It's one of the most clinically studied natural laxatives, approved by regulatory bodies worldwide. Used correctly in a cleanse formula, Senna safely accelerates colon emptying. Milk thistle seed, your liver's bodyguard. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a complex of flavonoids that protect liver cells from damage. It promotes regeneration of liver tissue, supports bile flow, and reduces liver inflammation. When your colon is cleansing, toxins get mobilized. Milk thistle ensures your liver can process and eliminate them safely. Ginger root, the anti-inflammatory anchor. Ginger reduces nausea, soothes the digestive tract, and accelerates gastric emptying. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that protect the gut lining during the cleansing process. Ginger also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving nutrient absorption. Every ingredient in the cleanse has a role. Psyllium and aloe ferrex add bulk and regulate the gut. Slippery elm coats and heals the lining. Cascara and senna move waste out efficiently. Chlorella binds and removes toxins. Milk thistle protects the liver. Ginger soothes and accelerates. This is a complete system, not a pill, a protocol. The cleanse. Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.